What's going on, world? S197 Danny checking in. Today we're gonna get that S550 key fob program to your S197 in 60 seconds. Time on the clock now. Step 1, ordering your key fob. I purchased mine off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Easy. Step 2, programming button functions. Wait. Disclaimer, you'll need 2 sets of keys to program the key fob entirely. They don't have to be the original keys, but 2 sets of keys that already work on your Mustang is needed. Okay, you got that? Good. Take one of the original keys, stick it in the ignition, and turn it to the on position 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The doors will lock, then unlock. That's when you press the lock on the new key fob to program it. Done. Step 3, programming your new key fob chip to your car. I went to my local area locksmith and had the new fob key cut. Easy peasy. With you inside the car, lock your doors. Now with all 3 sets of keys, take an original key and turn it to the on position. Then take the other original key and turn it to the on position. Lastly, take the new key fob and turn it to the on position. Voila. Your new key fob is programmed. Enjoy.